In this program, we are going to understand how to calculate the area of a triangle using Hero's formula, and for that we need three sides. So we are asking the user to enter the first side using this input function, and the result of the input function will be in the form of text. It has to be converted into some data type like integer or float. Here we are converting it into float using this function and storing the result in side 1. Likewise, we are asking the user to enter the values for side 2 and side 3 as well. Now, this is the formula that is used to calculate the area of the triangle using Hero's formula, and for this we need the value of s, and the value of s is received by addition of all the three sides divided by 2. So you apply this formula, you will get the value of s. After that, you need another variable called area to store the result, and this is the formula that we are applying, like s multiplied by s minus side 1 multiplied by s minus side 2 multiplied by s minus side 3, and exponent to the power like 0.5, like half. So this formula will give you the result of the Hero's formula, and the value will be stored in this particular variable. After that, using the print function, we are displaying a message that the area of the triangle is this particular name of the variable. So when we are going to run the program, it will be asking us to enter the side of the triangle, let's say 6, and the second side be 4, and the third be 4. So it says that the area of the triangle using the Hero's formula is 7.937.